Introducing XChange, the hot swappable tool changer that's designed for any 3D printer. XChange incorporates an elegant mechanical and electrical connection that enables rapid tool changes in a single motion. It features an interchangeable tool plate with a robust magnetic locking mechanism for fast, easy changes. Whether you want to try out new tools or accessories, experiment with multi-material prints, make use of spare parts, or just maximize uptime for your printers, XChange makes it possible. We designed XChange to be widely functional, yet maintain the smallest, lightest footprint possible. Made in the USA, XChange features an anodized aluminum frame, aerospace-grade electrical connectors, and is readily compatible with most existing 3D printers. Compatible with virtually any combination of tools and accessories you can imagine, XChange opens up a world of new possibilities with the printer you already have. So, how will you use XChange?
Last year, we created the LaserPecker laser engraving machine. We showed it in Kickstarter, and you liked it. We created a community with more than 2,000 supporters and 50,000 users all over the world. Now, we are back. This is LaserPecker 2. The new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution, 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2. The super fast LaserPecker 2.
Over the last 6 years, we've developed a new type of technology. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal holographic display. The looking glass portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a three-dimensional hologram that floats out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required.
I'm Sean Frayne, and I'm part of the team that created the world's first holographic display back in 2018. And it's all been leading up to this. This is a memory machine, and it's a tool for holographic exploration, and it's a new canvas for 3D creators, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, and it's your first personal holographic display.
This is a new era of creation and design, and with Revopoint POP, it is now accessible to everyone. The Revopoint POP is the first high-precision, cost-effective 3D scanner available with ultra-precise accuracy for pixel-perfect 3D prints. Until now, 3D printing has been limited to those with strong digital sculpting skills, but with Revopoint POP, the limits are endless. It features two scanning modes, handheld and fixed, for a variety of opportunities to texture map anything, anywhere. One cable connect to your laptop to quickly obtain the highest single frame accuracy of any object with either a turntable to quickly acquire a full 360 mesh build, or go handheld to capture unique organic shapes both large and small. Revopoint POP is able to capture fine details like nose contours, wrinkles, or high-definition texture colors for accurate organic scans, with an eye-safe infrared light source for picture-perfect 3D scans generated by our free-access, simple-to-use, intuitive Revopoint software. No training required. Just fast, accurate mesh construction in the palm of your hand. Connect to your phone, AC power-free for handheld access to ultra-quality object scanning both indoors and out, with our mobile-friendly, easy-to-use scanning application. It is lightweight, efficiently powered, and safe. Perfect for anyone to recreate anything, no longer limited to a skill set, and for a fraction of the cost of a traditional scanner. Art, design, dental, or industrial, Revopoint is truly the 3D scanning innovation finally accessible to everyone. There are no limits to creation with Revopoint POP.